Next, a cylinder whose height is 2/3 of its diameter has the same volume as a sphere of radius 4 cm. Calculate the radius of the base of the cylinder. Similar problem, volume of this, equate them. So diameter, what is given, height is 2/3 of the diameter. So radius equals to diameter upon 2. Therefore d equals to 2r. Therefore height equals to 2/3 of diameter. So 2/3 of 2r, right? Therefore h equals to 4r upon 3, right? For this cylinder. Okay. Let's find the volumes of both. So volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square into h. H is 4r upon 3, and volume of sphere is what? 4 upon 3 into pi into radius is given 4 centimeter. So 4 cube. Just find r. So solve this. Go on solving. You will get r cube equals to 4 cube. So r equals to 4 centimeter. That's the required answer. Radius of base of the cylinder is 4 centimeters. Next, a cylindrical vessel of diameter 4 centimeter is partly